informal sector, which plays an important role in Indian economy. Majority of the rural transactions or small trade transactions are carried on through unaccounted or through not required to be reported to any regulator or any authority. So there is no basis for their business, there is no supporting evidences for their transactions. What happens is all these forms part of informal sector. Thanks to the introduction of GST, much of the Indian economic transactions has been brought into the net of formal economic sector. So after the introduction of GST, the informal sector is coming down day by day, and after the introduction of successful implementation of digital payment system, even small people, small vendors, anyone with any small amount can be taken up through digital payments. So that opportunity of digital payments and GST implementation, many of the small traders also brought into the coverage of formal economic sector. Now the government, until now, the central government was concentrating to support, help, finance the organizations which are in the formal economic sector, But now, because of financial stability and policy implementation, clarity, and administration feasibility, the central government is planning to extend the support and encouragement, financial availability even to informal sector. The government will ensure desired policy push, support credit informal sector also, which are backbone of rural and unrecorded economic small traders. Informal sector is the backbone for rural Indian economy, rural India and small traders. So this is the government wants to extend support to this informal sector based on their digital payments or their JAM, Jandan Aadhaar Mobile Link. All these are helping to encourage and support the informal sector of Indian economy. Indian activities are also changing to formalize the economic activities and to streamline their activities with the help of GST as well as digital payments. And now it became very much important for informal sector also to manage their finances effectively. Otherwise, there will be the mismatch or gap between the receivables, receipts and payments, and excess of payments requirement leads to shortage of funds, and which may lead to inconvenience to the entrepreneurs. All this possible, the government is planning to establish a dedicated organization to extend financial support to the informal sector, those who are in the small trade or in the rural economy, and also to plug the pilferage, if any, the pilferage or leakage or diversion of funds or misuse of funds taken as a loan by these informal sector borrowers. The government is planning to encourage and motivate the young Indians not to be a job seekers, but try to become job providers. So there is a lot of scope for employment opportunities or entrepreneurial opportunities for young Indians, and because of the improvement in digital connectivity, digital payments, and clarity in implementation of policies and procedures, and impartial administration, uniform implementation are helping the economy to become more and more formal and coming out from informal sector.